Okay, this is Grand Lisboa Palace, and there's a lot of stuff over here. I kind of want to share with you a lot of different stuff around here. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna tell you more about it, including Cotai Strip and a landfill over here that I can see, and also a tunnel that they're building. Stay tuned. It's gonna be kind of interesting, I think. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so that's the Grand Lisboa Palace. It's not quite lit up, you know, but you can see the Sheraton over there. So some of these are starting to light up now. So there's a lot of strip of casinos that are lit up, that are have been built. So there's Lisboeta, which is kind of a mimic of another one that's called just like the first casino of Macau, so it's kind of like replicating that. There's like a skyline thing, like an indoor skyline or something like that. Macau Palace, which has like the copies of the James Bond thing. So all those are kind of near this Grand Lisboa Palace. There's also the Cotai Strip. You can see MGM, Londoner a little bit. In the background is Parisian. So anyways, the other thing I want to share with you is on this side, there's a giant landfill. There's some dogs kind of walking around. There's cranes all up and down there. So there's a giant landfill right here. There's also a factory over here. So it's kind of interesting because, like, you know, this landfill is like really far removed and not many people come over here. There's not really buses, not really sure what the street is. You know, so Grand Lisboa is definitely part of the whole Cotai Strip over there. But then it's interesting that there's this landfill there. There's some dump truck moving stuff right now. So that's all in here too. And then this factory, I don't know what the factory is, but there's one right next to it as well. More cranes over there, they're building something over there. And then over here is a tunnel that they're building. So there's a tunnel and a bridge, so all this is all construction. So I'm kind of glad to be documenting and filming it now, because later this will be something totally different. But you can see cranes everywhere. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cranes here. I can see a bunch of yellow ones and some blue ones, 2 blue ones over here, and 5 yellow ones. 4. There's another blue one, there's another yellow one, there's 2 more yellow ones. So actually all that stuff. So Grand Lisboa, and then there's a bunch of like a little field of like construction, trucks, new casinos that haven't been opened yet since COVID. Then this new thing that goes out to Cotai, it's going to go around these mountains. And I believe that right there is the prison right there too. So there's a lot of stuff that's happening right here. There's prison, Grand Lisboa. I think our focus is kind of Grand Lisboa, but there's a lot of other stuff around here too to focus on. So okay, hope you like that. Okay, here's the other side of Grand Lisboa Palace. So we'll just kind of show you from the other side of what's near, including this Macau Palace, which has the James Bond kind of theme, and Lisboeta, which has like the first casino of Macau theme, and then there's the mountains that goes to Cotai. So if you saw the other video, you saw like a tunnel that goes through that mountain. That was over there. And then I don't know what these 2 buildings are. I have no idea. Like office buildings. This is a street of tennis courts, and there'll be like bowling alley and like some different sports stuff. And the Wind Palace is over there. So yeah. So that kind of concludes the Grand Palace part from this other side.